you bitch. Hey, Chow! Chow!
Chow?
Chow! You bitches! Gay boy! Say something,
Jesse, how was that shot?
Say something Chow-like.
Delicious.
Say something Chow-like.
Say Dorio Gato.
Dorio Migato, Mr. Roboto.
Okay.
Say something Chow-like,
Put
you
the camera
bitch.
on me for a second.
So
To catch you guys up, we just gave Jesse a half shot of Everclear and half rum.
Oh, you fucking asshole. Oh. I knew it. I
No, say something Chow-like.
You fucking asshole.
Say something Chow-like. I just got shot! No.
That was quite a burn.
So, Jesse, are you just gonna take this all fucking night? You gotta hit him back, dude. You gotta hit him back.
Oh my god. That hurt.
He just got kicked in the nuts.
Oh my god.
Punched. Can I get a picture of your nuts?
Turbo, you're dead.
I know it's coming back at me.
Oh yeah, you're so dead.
Worth it. Oh shit. And he still takes a puff of the cigarette.
Well, yeah.
You like how I had Taylor give you the shot?
Jesus Christ,
That
that's
is
fucking
hella
great.
bad. Oh my god. Yeah.
Whoa! Hi!
Is the video still going?
Oh yeah.
Is the video still going?
Oh yeah.
By the way, I made sure the half shot, half rum got to him.
Ooh.
Hi!
Still bent over.
My phone's gonna die on the way home.
My nuts have receded into my stomach.
Into my scrotum!
Scrotum.
Trevor, explain to me how that felt for like the 8th time tonight.
It felt really good. I think the best one was with the ball or the dog toy.
Also on YouTube, if you go check out whatever we're gonna call it, I'll name that later.
We're gonna name it Nut Shot.
Nut shot it is. Probably nut shot like
Asian Nut Shot.
Asian nut shot it is.
Chow! Chow nut shot!
Correction, chow nut shot.
She's really from the hangover, we just don't know it yet.
There it is.
Anyway.
Balls in your court, man.
Say something Chow-like. Say something.
Well, we're muted. No, we're not. Just kidding.
Stop. Chow crossing.
Oh.
I just got shot!
I just got shot. What do you expect? I'm an international criminal. I'm having a bad day. Did you get shot? No. Or no, wait. Sorry. Let's start that over. I'm having a bad day. Did you die? Oh, I got shot. But did you die?
But did you die? Chow cussy! So long, gay boy!
Chow me the bump. Get his head straight.
So long, gay boy.
So long, gay boys.